Hello, dear students. Let us study the properties of colloids. The first, let us discuss the various properties exhibited by the colloidal system. The first property that we are going to study is the colligative properties. Colloidal particles being bigger aggregates, the number of particles in a colloidal system is comparatively small. That means they will have the less number of particles as compared to the true solution, because the bigger the particle, the lesser are they in the number. As compared to the true solution, the colloidal system will have comparatively small number of particles. Hence, colligative properties that depends upon the number of particle in the system. So we can easily understand that as colligative properties depends upon the number of particle, and number of particle present in the colloidal system are less as compared to the true solution. So these colligative properties such as osmotic pressure, relative lowering of vapor pressure, depression in freezing point, and elevation in boiling point are also of small order as compared to the values shown by the true solution at same concentration. So if the concentration of colloids and concentration of the solute are same, then the colligative properties shown by the colloidal particle will be smaller than the colligative properties shown by the true solution. This is how we can understand. Now we will understand about the Tyndall effect. If homogeneous solution means true solution. If homogeneous solution or true solution placed in a dark is observed in the direction of light. So first of all, we'll put the true solution into the dark, and then we allow the light to pass through, and then we will observe the solution from the direction of the light. It appears perfectly dark. That means we cannot see anything through it. Colloidal system viewed in the same way means in the direction of light when it was kept into the dark and the light is passed through it, may also appear reasonably clear or translucent by transmitted light. So when we see the colloid, we generally see it clear or translucent. But the colloidal system show mild to strong opalescence. Now, we should understand what is opalescence. So, opalescence is nothing but the milky rainbow-like color played. So, opalescence is, you can say that, some milky solution that may have the 7 colors of basic light. To make you understand, I may try to give you a picture of this opalescence, and will make you to understand, but you can simply understand that the solution looks absolutely milky, and you will see some of the 7 colors inside that milky solution. Colloidal system, when viewed at the right angle to the passage of light, the path of beam is illuminated by bluish light. So when we see the colloidal solution from the right angle to the path of the light, then we can see that the beam of light is illuminated by the bluish light. This was first observed by Faraday, but later studied in detail by a scientist named Tyndall, and this effect is known as the Tyndall effect. Which effect? The effect through which we can see the light of beam is scattered and we can see it bluish in color. This particular effect is known as the Tyndall effect. You can see here, this is the light source, this is the colloidal solution, or sorry, this is the colloidal system placed into the glass vessel. the light source passes through it. When the light passes through the colloidal system, some particles, like these are the particles of colloid, they scatter the beam of light. When we view it from the direction of the light, we can see the mild to strong opalescence. But when we see it using the microscope, here we have, then we can see the illuminated path with the bluish light. This is the microscope we use to see it, or the scientist named Zsigmondy used this microscope to observe this colloidal system. This is what it is known as the Tyndall effect. You can see a cone like structure here in which these colloidal particles are being viewed. This the bright cone of the light is called the Tyndall cone. We know that the colloidal particle will scatter the beam of light, and this cone shaped part that we can see illuminated with the blue light is known as the Tyndall cone. The next question arises in our mind is, why do we see Tyndall effect? We'll study about this into the next video. Happy learning.